Hello people, welcome to another SMC tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to farm XP of Bindowsxp, right? It's a new B2C project. There is no much information about the project just yet, right? So that's why now is the time to jump right into it. You can follow them on X so as to stay posted on this project. So basically in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to accumulate XPs on their farming site. Alright guys, so we're going to dive right into this tutorial. As you can see on our screen, we have Mrs. Browser, right? So we're using Mrs. Browser for this tutorial. So let's open Mrs. Browser. Okay, so next is to paste the link to the farming site. Alright guys, so we're here and the first thing to do is to connect our X account. So we're going to come over to Farm XP. Right, so connect. Authorize. Alright guys, so we should be connected. The next thing to do is to input a referral code so you can get the referral code of an already existing farmer, right? You can as well use the referral code in the description of this video. So we're going to come over to Farm XP. Alright, so we're going to input a referral code. Alright guys, so this is like our profile, like our dashboard. As you can see, it shows my name, right, from my X account, though it's blurred out. And here it shows the numbers of XP I have, and then my current level, and then my wallet. Alright, so over here it shows the numbers of people I've invited, and then it shows my referral code. So we just got past the stage of imputing referral code. So you can share your referral code to new users and have them use your referral code, and definitely they should be rewarded for that. So over here are compulsory tasks to complete before you begin to do other tasks. So just ensure to follow their X account. So let's follow. Okay, so we have to share a post. Share. Okay, so we're to like and retweet. Post. Okay, and we have to tag 2 friends to this post. So let's go over to the post. All right, go back. Okay, so once we're done with this, we can then go into doing other tags. So we're going to come over here to tags. And as you can see, guys, there are a couple of tags here to do. Maybe we should just do one. Right, okay, let's do number 1. Link. Okay, so we are to like and retweet. Alright, so we have to tag 2 friends. Alright, so we're done. Let's go back. So once you have completed tags, you can come over here to check. Done, right? So we are done with these tags, and so we can go ahead to complete other tags. So just complete each of the tags, then come over to check, and then you're done. So you can go over to your dashboard to see if your XP is now reflecting. If it's not, I think there is no need to panic. Probably just give it some time and you should see your XP on your dashboard. Alright guys, so like I said, this is still like a new project, right? The farming is still like new. So we could see more improvements, more features in the coming days. So you want to go over to the tax page as regular as you can, check for new tags, complete them, and then claim your XP. That easy. Alright guys, thank you for watching the tutorial video. Do ensure to drop your questions in the comment section, like the video, share the video, and of course, very important, subscribe to this channel guys. Thank you again for watching the video. Bye.